Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now let me ask you something. Are you worried that AI might take over your job? Right, I get it. It's a big question these days. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about 7 high paying, high demand IT jobs that AI will never replace. And when I say never, I mean these are roles where human judgment, creativity, and decision making are absolutely essential. Let us understand AI is powerful, yes, but it's not magic. It can't replace human empathy, ethics, or strategic thinking. And that's exactly why these jobs are future proof. Okay, so grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. All right, job number one, cybersecurity specialist. Now, AI can help detect threats, sure, but here's the thing, cyber criminals are creative. They don't follow predictable patterns. Right, so when a new type of attack happens, it's the human experts who figure out how to stop it. Let us understand in cybersecurity, you're not just running software scans, you're thinking like an attacker, predicting their moves, and protecting systems in real time. Correct, this role is in huge demand. Salaries easily between $100 K and $150 K, sometimes more if you're in a high risk industry like finance or defense. So if you love solving puzzles and you're calm under pressure, this could be your golden ticket. Okay, moving on to number two, cloud solutions architect. Now, AI can suggest configurations, but designing a cloud system that's secure, scalable, and cost effective, that's a human job. Let us understand you're talking to clients, figuring out their needs, balancing budgets, and making sure the system can grow with the business. Right, and you're also making judgment calls that AI just can't make, like trade-offs between speed, security, and cost. Correct salaries here range from $120 K to $160 K, and with more companies moving to the cloud every year, this role is only going up in demand. Now, number three, DevOps engineer. So AI can automate parts of the pipeline, yes, but DevOps is about culture as much as it is about code. Let us understand you're the bridge between development and operations. You're making sure updates roll out smoothly, systems stay online, and teams communicate effectively. Right? And when something breaks at 2 a.m., AI might tell you what broke, but it's you who decides how to fix it without causing more problems. Correct salaries here are around $110 K to $140 K, and the demand is massive. Okay, number four, UX divided by UI designer. Now, AI can generate layouts, but it can't feel what a user feels. Let us understand design is about empathy, it's about understanding how people think, what frustrates them, and what delights them. Right. And you're not just making things look pretty, you're making them work for real humans. Correct UX divided by UI designers earn between $90 K and $130 K. And with every app and website competing for attention, this skill is priceless. Now, this one's interesting. Number five, AI ethics consultant. So, AI can't police itself. It doesn't know what's fair or ethical. Let us understand companies need humans to set guidelines, prevent bias, and make sure AI is used responsibly. Right. You might be advising on privacy, transparency, and how algorithms impact real people. Correct. This role can pay $120 K to $170 K, and as AI grows, so does the need for ethical oversight. Okay, number six, data privacy and compliance officer. Now, AI can track data, but it can't interpret complex laws or explain them to a board of directors. Let us understand you're making sure companies follow regulations like GDPR or CCPA, and you're the one who steps in when there's a breach. Right, this is about protecting both the company and the customer. Correct salaries range from $110 K to $150 K, and with data breaches making headlines, this role is more important than ever. And finally, number seven, technical product manager. Now, AI can crunch numbers, but it can't inspire a team or set a product vision. Let us understand you're balancing market needs, technical feasibility, and business goals. Right, you are the captain of the ship, making sure everyone's rowing in the same direction. Correct salaries. Here are $120 K to $160 K plus bonuses. So there you have it, seven high paying, high demand IT jobs that AI will never replace. Now remember, the key is to focus on skills that require human judgment, creativity and empathy. Right, AI is a tool, not a replacement, and if you position yourself in one of these roles, you're not just safe, you're in demand. Okay, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these jobs excites you the most? Drop it in the comments. Correct. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's worried about their career future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.